Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to encrypt your Vivo V50 Lite 5G phone. If you're using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to encrypt your phone, so let's see how can you do this. We're going to make some settings. So open your settings and here just scroll down and look for privacy, select it, and here you have a lot of privacy settings you can do. Here's the privacy dashboard. You can easily see that which app has access your any permission. Here's a location, microphone and camera, but you can easily get much more, and you can see that how many apps have access to them. And after that just go back and here's the permission manager, select it. You can easily manage your permissions from here. There's notification, phone, gallery, SMS, location, camera, and much more. You can easily manage them. Now go back and here's the smart privacy protection. Tap on it, and here's the screen sharing privacy protection for meetings. If you're in a meeting or video call, so it will protect your screen privacy. Go back and here the data sharing updates or location. If someone is locating you or you're being located by someone, you can easily get the information from here. And here's the show password. If you're unlocking your device and you are entering your password and you want to hide your password, so you can easily disable this. But if you want to unhide your password, you just have to enable the setting and your password will be showed to your lock screen. Here's the show media on lock screen. If you are playing something in background, it might be any music or videos, you can easily hide it from your lock screen by disabling the setting. Next, the show clipboard access prompt. If you have copied something and your copy is showing to your clipboard, you can easily unhide it, hide it and just disable the setting. Here's the show screenshot and screen capture protection. Here's the unlock to power off. If you want to power off your phone, so it will remind to enter your password, and after entering password you can easily power off your device. And the notification on lock screen. If you want to hide notification from lock screen, you must have to select this third one, which is don't show notification at all. But if you want to see a notification on lock screen, you must have to enable the setting. And here's the recent app previews. And after that is much more setting you can easily do is app encryption, app hiding. You can easily encrypt your apps by setting on an app lock or fingerprint. His app hiding. You can hide your apps from lock screen or home screen. Now go back, go to password and security, and here you can easily manage your phone password. Might be a screen lock, fingerprint, or face. You can easily manage them from here. So that's how you can easily protect or encrypt your Vivo V50 Lite 5G phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.